Step 3. Professional Setup. The pre-configured workspace with over 100 symbols. Let us begin. Open TradeStation Desktop. At the login screen, enter your credentials. You will see three options. Live trading connects to your funded account. Simulated trading connects to a paper trading environment with no real money at risk. We recommend starting with simulated trading. You can switch to live trading at any time. Before opening the workspace, you must import the strategy file. This step is required. If you skip it, the workspace will not function. Click File, then Import/Export Easy Language. This looks more complex than it is. You are selecting one file and clicking Next. Select Import Easy Language File and click Next. Click Browse and navigate to your Downloads folder. Select the file named TradeStation.ai Robot Daily. One file. One click. That is it. The wizard will confirm the file path. Click Next to continue. The wizard will detect the file contains a strategy. Make sure the strategy checkbox is selected. Click Next. You will see Robot Daily Strategy listed. Make sure it is checked. Click Finish. If you have ever added a study or indicator to a chart, this is the same process. Import success. Click OK. The strategy is now installed in your TradeStation. If you see this error when opening the workspace, it means you skipped the import step. Close the workspace, complete the import, then reopen it. Now, from the File menu, select Workspaces, then open Workspace. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the Robot Daily Workspace file. Click Open. The workspace will load with over 100 symbols. You will see multiple chart tabs across the top of your screen. Each tab represents one symbol with the strategy pre-configured. Before you enable anything, let me explain the three levels of execution control. There are three levels of execution control. There is no wrong choice. You can change this at any time. Level 1. View only. You observe the strategy but no trades execute. Level 2. Confirmation. The strategy proposes trades and you approve each one. Level 3. Full automation. The strategy executes without confirmation dialogues. You choose how much authority the strategy has. When you first open a chart, you may see the raw price data without strategy markers. This is normal. Once the strategy loads, buy and sell markers will appear across the price history. This is 18 months of historical behavior on this symbol. Visible. Verifiable. Set your time frame to daily. This is a swing trading strategy. The daily time frame avoids pattern day trader classification and its $25,000 equity requirement. The strategy trades long positions only. No short selling, no borrowing fees, no additional margin exposure. Let us start with Level 1. View only. This is the safest way to begin. Right-click the strategy and select Edit Strategies. Check the first box only. Generate strategy orders for display. Leave the second box unchecked. In this mode, you see buy and sell signals on the chart, but nothing executes. No risk. Just observation. Before you enable automation, look at the data. Right-click the strategy on any chart and select View Strategy Performance Report. This is the historical performance on this symbol. Every trade. Every win. Every loss. Nothing is hidden. This report is generated by TradeStation directly from the strategy behavior. You can run this on any symbol. This data will help you decide whether to enable automation. Before you enable automation, you need to configure your capital settings. These control how the strategy sizes your positions. Right-click the strategy and select Edit Strategies. You will see the input values. The top 4 fields are the ones you will set. Initial capital. Capital amount switch. Minimum trade capital. Risk percent. Initial capital is the baseline funding amount the system uses for position sizing when your account equity is above the switching threshold. Capital amount switch is the threshold that divides two modes. Above this level, percentage-based allocation. Below this level, a fixed dollar amount per trade. Minimum trade capital is the fixed dollar amount per trade when your equity is below the threshold. This is your floor. Risk percent is the percentage of available buying power allocated per trade when above the threshold. These four settings work together. Do not overthink this. Start with the defaults in a simulated account and adjust from there. Now let us walk through level 2. Confirmation. Right-click the strategy and select Edit Strategies. You will see the automation section at the bottom. Check the Automate Execution box. TradeStation will display an agreement. Read it carefully and click I agree. With confirmation set to on, the strategy proposes trades but asks your permission before each one executes. Now level 3. Full automation. Change the confirmation drop-down from on to off. TradeStation will display a second agreement. Read it and click I agree. The strategy now enters and exits trades automatically. No confirmation dialogues. And remember, full automation does not mean live trading. You can run this in a simulated account first. Now let me show you how to disable automation. Right-click the strategy and select Edit Strategies. Uncheck the Automate Execution box. One click. Automation stops for that symbol. To stop all automation across every symbol, simply close TradeStation. One click. All future robot activity stops. But understand this. Disabling automation does not close your existing positions. Your current trades remain open. To exit all positions, open the Trade Manager, right-click, and select Close All Open Positions. TradeStation will immediately close every open position in your account. 2 clicks. When you see SIM in the bottom right corner of your screen, you are connected to the simulated trading environment. No real money is at risk. This is the recommended way to start. When you see Live, you are connected to your funded brokerage account. Real trades. Real money. Switch to live trading only when you are confident in the strategy behavior. Now you need to repeat this process for every symbol in the workspace. Let me walk through it one more time. Click the Next Chart tab. Right-click the strategy and select Edit Strategies. Check the Automate Execution box. Read the agreement. Click I agree. Set the confirmation drop-down to your preferred level. Click OK. That is one symbol. Now move to the next tab and repeat. TradeStation requires your express permission for each symbol individually. This is a security feature. It prevents accidental automation. Take your time. There is no rush. This is a one-time process. Once this is done, you will not need to do it again. For over 100 symbols, expect this to take 30 to 45 minutes. If you encounter any issues, look for the Talk to Engineer button on the Getting Setup page. This connects you directly to our engineering team. Licensed members can also submit a support ticket from the member area. Click Request Support for any setup or access issue. Setup complete. You decide. I execute.